The industry is currently undergoing a revolution in its processes, facilitated by the integration of technologies such as artificial intelligence, control systems, and virtual reality. These innovations have significantly improved operational efficiency. Nevertheless, we continue to face challenges such as a lack of compatibility among technologies and limited capacity for customized solutions, which impinge upon operational efficiency and heighten the risk of errors. To tackle these challenges, we at the Institute of Advanced Materials for Sustainable Manufacturing, Tecnológico de Monterrey, have developed a versatile, multipurpose robotic platform. This platform integrates different modules designed to overcome these challenges. Some of these modules cater to various tasks, such as a disinfection system via automation, environmental data collection, and a multitasking robotic arm. Through the use of artificial intelligence, IoT, and instrumentation systems, we can efficiently collect and analyze data. This ability allows us to identify pertinent patterns and trends for informed decision-making. Furthermore, the platform can be configured according to each user's needs, resulting in a smart, sustainable, sensing, and social platform. An ongoing case study in which we are continuously generating solutions involves precision agriculture for agroparques. In this project, we monitor the health and growth of crops, predict production and pathogen outbreaks, and continuously evaluate growth. This is achieved by optimizing resource usage and minimizing environmental and energy impacts, thus providing an opportunity to boost efficiency through digitalization with cyber-physical systems and digital twins. With this, Tecnológico de Monterrey, through this institute, reaffirms its commitment to developing innovative solutions that contribute to social well-being and development.